What's up, guys? I'm scared.
Yesterday we talked about in the morning where we picked up well 2 inches of rain in a lot of spots. The ground soaked in a lot of that.
Hi guys, nice to see you again. There's a tornado in Atlanta. What's happening? Everybody is warned not to go outside. It's very crazy, man. I don't know. We need some help.
It looks like that this is going to be kind of catching up to it, so it's better news for us. Maybe not so good news for
Hi, Mohammed Bashir Sheikh.
They could have some supercells fire up
What's
out
up?
of the main line, and then you see the back edge of the line there in northwest Georgia.
Thank you, Nurdin. Miss you too, Jay. And Mohammed says hi. Hi, Mohammed. Hi, Prince. What's happening? Oh, welcome, Khan Falme. I think you're seeing me. Walaikum salam, Hafada Wa'al. Clay says, I love you, Shanti. I love you too. Mohammed Bashir says, can you give me a Snapchat? My Snapchat is Shanti Kabir. Somali Lander, Berber. Hi, Shanti. Miss you too, Somali Lander. And Khan, Atiwat, Manyoko. Hi, everyone. Nini bana we Khan, usiniharibie tafadhali. Don't spoil things for me. Brian says I missed you too. And Sweeter says love this woman. Wow, love you too, sweeter than honey. Hi Jelle. I love you too, Amino. And where are you? Joanne, I'm in Atlanta. And Abdurazak says, how are you? I'm good, man. I can't keep up with this. The comments are so much, and I'm gonna try. So somebody says I love you too. Hi Ibnu, I love you too, Kafi. Okay, I miss you. You know, we came a long way when you used to. I used to go to school, and then you used to hit me anytime I come from school. Okay, that was very, very bad of you, Khan. I'm saying that you strangled me with my scarf. I was from school and I was fasting Ramadan. It was Ramadan, and you didn't have to do that. And you have to apologize right now because my fans are watching. So go ahead. I love you too, Prince Jamal. Hi everyone, it's been a long time. I haven't been live because I'm busy. Good things are coming anyways. I love you too, Mohammed. Hi Kali. Yeah, hi. Love you too, Abdullahi. Thank you, Naima. Thank you. Dahir says, Shanti wan kujalahay abaya ma'an. Aniga ba wan kadaran? How do they? Wan kadaran. Oh, I can't say. Okay, love you too. Amir says, I love you. I love you too. Hi, Abdullahi. Hi, Mukhtar. I love you too, Naima. Thank you so much, sis. And Abdi Fatah says hi. Nasser says, hey, what's up, cutie? Hi. And Ding. This name is very hard. Okay, love you too, Ding. And Abdi says, Shanti, I'm on my way to Atlanta. That's good. I'll welcome you. And Mukhtar says, I love you. Richard says, beautiful girl. Thank you so much, man. The comments are so much. I feel so happy when everybody's telling me beautiful things today. Anyways, next month is my birthday month, and we're going to turn up. Seriously, we need to have fun. I don't know. I have a lot of surprises for you. Oh, Yusuf, you have my sandwich?
Yeah, I was late.
Thank you. I'm live on Facebook though.
You said what?
I was hungry, seriously. It's on time. From Medina? Woo! Hi there. So this is it. I'm gonna eat this. I'm hungry. So guys, you are welcome. I'm gonna make a flyer, and I'll make sure that I invite everybody to come for the birthday. In case you're in America, in case you're in Atlanta, you're welcome. And the rest of you that are not here, I'm just gonna like show you guys what's gonna be going through. One of my friends is gonna hold the phone, and then you guys will watch me live. We can't switch your minimum lawyer. That's a massive fitukani we bwana. I'm a lawyer. I have to kula every time. If says Shanti says love you ila akhiro. Oh, that touches my heart. I love you too, sis. And
to the north of Buckhead. Boy, that's something else.
So,
again,
what's up with this head though?
I mean, it looks like time lapse, right? But it's not. That's like real speed. Here comes the rain.
Khan,
Here comes the wind.
first of all, Ebu sema pole for the things you did to me tukiwa watoto. Unajua ulikuwa crush wangu. Niseme. Don't push me. Should I say Khan? I'm waiting for your reply.
Very, very stormy day across.
Oh, God bless you too.
Thanks for staying with us. We've been on the air now because we have active tornado.
Oh, Abdullahi, I'm sorry. Hi, Abdullahi.
Information is vital to people. We still have that active warning in Barrow County and in Jackson County. But you can see how things are beginning to improve.
So there's a tornado here, and they're telling people not to go anywhere. Everybody's supposed to stay indoors. So I'm good, alhamdulillah. Oh, Shanti yule wafula gote wafula kopoa. I'm taking good care of him. Sai amejua kupanda ndege. He's good. He will never do that again.
And typically, we talked about this. You get in a drought, right? We've been in a drought and we've been starved.
Okay, Khan, say the same.
When you flip that drought,
I wanted to tell them what you used to do. I guess I'm just gonna stop.
And so we had a heavier rain.
Man, what's wrong with my hair?
Yesterday morning and 2 nights ago. Now we get this round, and I think we got some more rain in the forecast as well as we look down the road.
Mohammed says we're from the same clan. That's good.
Certainly welcome.
Asante Sana Hind says that, and Shanti, give us your Somali name. I'm Asha. Oh, hi Rispa. Rispa says watching from Jordan. That's good. And hello Nure.
Did not include University of Georgia. And you're going to see, look how quickly.
Wafula Khan. Wait, Wafula. Skiza, nataka kudish. And
there's none on there right now.
And I want to say bye. So Khan, should I say what you used to do to me or should I spare you? NBA. So Mohammed says nakupenda sana. Nakupenda sana pia mimi tena sana. You don't know how much I love you. Now where's Kia Khan? You are supposed to admit to your mistakes. You see, the things that you did to me were very, very bad. Like, I know you was my crush. I know. But you didn't have to do those things. You have to say sorry, because I want to tell all my fans right now that this guy did a lot of bad things to me. Okay, he forced me to kiss. He forced me to kiss him. He pushed me against the wall. I think that's something that girls like. Girls like guys. Okay, I like wild men, but at that time I was a virgin. I was a kid. You didn't have to do that. Okay. Khan says shout out to Ingoholics Festival. It's gonna be at Sarasa. So in case you're in Bungoma or anywhere close, make sure to go to Sarasa. They have a Ingoholics Festival that's coming through. I don't know the date yet, so Khan update me on that. Sijuni Skugani that you guys have it. And whew. So guys, Khan, you need to apologize. Wait. I was a kid. I mean, that was like sexual harassment. Seriously. Anyways, guys, bye. Khan, send me a number, please. And I need to eat some food. So see you next time. Till then, bye America. It's Shantika Bishantis, the one and only that gives you the best entertainment that nobody else gives it to you. So, I love my new piercing. They're amazing. I'm still a kid and this is gonna be an amazing experience, especially on my birthday. Naenda kukatika wala nitatingisha matako. Okay, so bye. Niambie hiyo ni siku gani ndo we going to have the Ingaholics festival. I want you to tell me right now. Okay, so Khan says it's gonna be on 17th and 18th of December. Make sure to go to Sarasa. That used to be my spot back in the days when I was in Africa. Okay, see you. Thanks for the food though. You coming back? You coming back?
Yeah.
Okay then, see you.
Go ahead. You remember my laundry, my clothes?
Yeah.
Go pick up and drop them.
Cool.
And I'm gonna pick them up the last.
Okay.
Like,
Did he send you the address?
Yeah.
Cool.
So I'm gonna come here early to wait him to see what he ready.
Okay. See you. Shiko says you're always pretty. No girl, you've transformed. Thank you. Wewe Han, mimi nikuja Sarasa, wewe unacheza nini? Ai. Wewe tuko hapa America tuna struggle alafu hiyo ni vitu gani unaongea bwana. Anyways, I'm trying to be a good girl. No more twerking. No more twerking. I stopped. But you know, it's good to let people know that you can do things. I mean, some people say that I am the best twerker. I don't know if it's true. Don't know nothing about that yet, but I believe in myself and I know that I can do it, you know. I've gone to many places. I mean, I'm talking about big clubs here in Atlanta and even back in Africa, in Uganda. And every time that I stepped on the floor, like to dance, I mean on the dance floor, people used to clap hands. Everybody used to, not even just clubs, even weddings. People just used to stand and clap their hands and say, wow, she can do it. I'm not bragging, but it's just in me. So haters, I love you so much. Thank you for making me famous, and thanks for like sharing the video, telling me bad stuff. It motivates, makes me a better person. And without you guys, man, I wouldn't have all these followers. Because of you, everybody wants to see, oh, who's this chick that say I'm getting followers. Now I have 73 actually, yeah, followers, so it's a good thing. And bye guys, wallahi, I'm starving, I need to eat.